was pretty goddamn fat. What?
The Dairy Cream what?
What is it called for real though?
What? What?
Let me see what this damn receipt say. How she say royal?
Yeah, the royal. That's what she said.
Wow. High as a motherfucker, I know that. It's a blizzard, man. It's a 2 large blizzard. Apple pie blizzard.
You know what Trey like? Now when I used to work in the restaurant, I used to take an apple pie.
Motherfucker.
And warm it up and put the ice cream on top of it.
Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, goddamn.
That's exactly what this is.
Goddamn bill, man, shit.
Bill.
Oh man. That's gooder than the motherfucker.
Yeah, good.
I should have said no sprinkles. I don't know what that is. Cinnamon?
Cinnamon.
Mix that shit up.
I ain't getting no whipping. I ain't getting no whipping cream on mine.
You fucked it up.
That's alright, but it's good.
You still battle with the cream. Still can't suck at it. Man, I want this cookie go all the way down to the bottom.
I hope it do.
Yeah, that motherfucking shit,
Sure
that a bum. Where the pie crust?
That motherfucker good.
Well, at least I ain't had about 3 of them.
Dairy Cream. Thumbnail.
That'd be a trip.
Hell yeah. This motherfucker is good. So who all out there, if you got a thirsty taste for a dessert, Dairy Cream.
Nice crispy spoons.
And you know what? With this pie crust and the inside of this ice cream, it's very crispy.
Man, that goddamn pie crust is the shit.
Hell yeah, that shit is.
I sure hope it go all the way down to the bottom though.
I hope so too.
That'll be the bomb, man. I'll be back for that to do.
Got a taste of an apple.
Well, that motherfucker thought I was, yeah. That motherfucker thought I was bullshitting. This motherfucker got me going in there asking for the what?
That's what the commercial said. The what?
I go in there and say, let us get that what? Ain't that what I said? Some shit like that. And she said, the who? What? What you say? What? I just kept saying what? And she like she gonna get mad though.
Right.
Cause she looked at everybody else like, this motherfucker playing? No, I ain't playing.
This motherfucker good.
God damn.
Got them chicken strip look pretty good over there too. The motherfucker look like they hard.
Yeah. Like Sonic shit be.
Oh hell yeah, I hate that old crunchy shit.
Man. I don't think grandma can make an apple pie taste better than this. But there's some good shit.
Hell yeah. I don't know what the fuck they got, but it's good.
That's some good shit, man.
They like mom's apple pie.
Man, that's some good shit.
And it's sweet, sweet, sweet.
Put me a little beer on it. It'll be good for you. I bet this about 1,600 calories.
I bet it is too.
Damn.
Stop the crush yet?
Not yet.
I'm 3/4 of the way. Not 3/4, but yeah, I'm 3/4 top.
Man, you eating like a goddamn motherfucking starving ass man. Outside of Walmart, begging for money.
I'm just trying to make sure the crust go over to the bottom.
You gonna get there?
That motherfucker good. Damn. That ain't right about you.
Maybe you eat sweet shit like that.
You got a headache?
No. Now, if that was a hamburger, it's been gone.
Hell yeah. We suck that motherfucker up like a vacuum cleaner.
Man.
Man, this shit good.
Good as all get out.
Motherfucker good, man.
Good as all get out.
We gonna have to come back here, man. Man, yeah. Man, you should have been told me about this, man.
Man. It's kind of hard to put a word. This shit is just goddamn good. It's like you're chasing the damn apple pie, actually. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, you get out that ice cream chase.
I'm like, you like, let's go. Some more down there.
That's what I was just doing.
Keep digging. It's still some more in there.
This motherfucker like you chase the ice cream first.
That's why it was shaking.
And then in the middle of it, you get the...
This ain't the same damn thing. When you just said that, the one that was on the little commercial got some shit in the middle.
In the center of it.
This ain't what we come for.
But it's good.
It's good as a motherfucker, though. Kudos over them not knowing their goddamn job.
Not knowing they recipe.
Cause I get a bite of goddamn apple pie in every bite.
Every bite.
Crunchy.
Apple pie and the damn,
That's what I'm talking about, the crust.
the crust. Hell, I'm damn at the bottom. This motherfucker good.
Shit. You trying to leave me.
This motherfucker is good, dude. I'm gonna slow down. Cause I see this. I'm halfway, and I'm still getting ice cream.
Apple pie.
Apple pie. I'm still getting it.
It's so sweet, sweet, sweet.
Boy, I thought I seen a spider.
Kill that bitch.
I'm talking about on the outside.
Kill them too. Kill them before they grow.
Know the shit gotta get good, you get quiet.
Actually, I was thinking about your job. When I saw that damn Chevy go by there, your job came to my mind.
You remember that big red truck we had over there? Not the red one, but the burgundy red one. We call it ruby red. They sold it. Well, I sold it Friday. Man, them damn trucks have some value on them, dude. Some truck got some damn long value.
Ruby red.
They call that other truck fire red.
And fire truck, yeah. But fire's not red.
I know it. And ruby ain't red either.
That bitch fire red.
Hey guys, it's all the way to the bottom. All the way to the bottom. You still getting pie, apple pie. This is not a bad choice. You buy one, get the other for 99 cents.
It's still high as hell.
Yeah, $6.
$6. It'd have been $10 and on a normal like this. I guess it ain't happy hour. I don't know, but on a normal it's $10.38.
You gotta be.
Show them damn chunks, man.
That's two of them for $10.
That's what I just said. See them chunks?
This shit is good. Like old folks say, good. This shit is good, boy.
You know what?
This is the first spoon.
Actually, I done got kind of full.
This is the first spoon I done got that I didn't get too many pieces.
But you got a piece.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that boy. It's so melted now that you can see them chunks real good.
Mm-hmm.
God damn. If I come back again, you know what's gonna happen? Somebody gonna fuck mine up and they ain't gonna put no stuff in it. I'm like, man, I ain't get no apple pie.
Me and her call that girl Shake. Oh, Shake made it right.
But see, I go to Sonic and get a green slush with popping candy in it. Man, that motherfucker be so goddamn good. Green apple slush with popping candy. And when I go back sometime, I don't have enough popping candy in it.
I guess it's good for the first time, I guess.
Nah, I go some other time and be alright. Just who make the motherfucker?
I'm out to drink that.
You done? God damn.
Ooh. Great. See that there? That's old Dairy Queen there, guys. And if you guys decide to go out there to Dairy Queen, this is the thing you need to get there. Get you just right. It gets you just right. DQ. Thumbnail.
Look here, people. I ain't making fun of the man. It's just funny.
It's just funny there.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't making fun of him. I like that dude. He's true. But he's just funny. He be so goddamn country.
He's sure real.
What's I think his name Reed Gamer. Reed Gamer, I think his name.
She needs to turn around.
No, she's so slow getting in that bitch. She's too damn big.
Around, go get back in the car too. Hey, that's okay.
Ooh.
I changed.
Feel like a Oompa Loompa.
Sure do.
Oompa Loompa.
Sure do. Look just like them. That was all right there. Can't get it no better. Did you hear that? No better.
Well. Woo! God damn it.
You just making a mess. That much shit must have been super good to your ass.
You got anything to say?
I ain't got nothing to say. That shit was good.